Hi Sugar Cookies, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle and you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs and reviews on makeup and everything and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. It's about my favorites and fufui.
February failures and flip-flop fufus and flip-flop failures. Fufui, flip-flops, whatever you want to call them, they failed me.
February favorites and the ones that failed me miserably. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to I Can Do That with Cookie. Cookie. I was doing so. Try that again. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to I Can Do That with Cookie. For those of you who are new, I'm Cookie. February has come to an end.
Are you ready for spring already? I know I am. This weather here in Florida, it's just cuckooing all over the place, but I am really ready.
This is not a sponsored video, so all the items that I'm showing you here are my opinions and my views. I've given them a fair try. I've used them for a while, over 30 something days, and I'm including them in my favorites now. If these are some of your favorites, if these are some of your favorites, then comment below and let me know which ones, or tag me on Instagram right here, CookieMix67. I'm gonna start with body care. This is by, how do you pronounce this? Or OGX. This used to be Organics at one point and they changed it to OGX. This is a very odd combination and I think that's the reason why I got it. Well, one is because I like things that have that real coffee scent in it, but this had coconut and I was like, coconut, and I'm not a huge coconutty type of person. However, it's a scrub, it's a wash, and I like the ingredients in it. It is soothing coconut coffee, sulfate free. It says, these are the claims. Help soften your skin with the invigorating and moisturizing blend infused with the exotic and Arabica coffee and coconut oil. Boost hydration while promoting supple. Yeah, this right here. This is 19.5 fluid ounces and this smells, oh my gosh, I want to go. Oh my gosh, you want to smell it? You smell it? Oh my gosh, this smells, I mean, it's just like what is it? And it stays on your clothing and you go to sleep at night smelling like a snack. Get you some, it's just fabulous. Love this. If and when you're able to find this at your local Walmart or Ulta or wherever you can find it, Amazon, you're gonna know this is what your girl loves to smell like. Any time of year, I will use this when I find them. I try to stock up on them. This is Tree Hut Tanation Vanilla Bean Shea Sugar Scrub. Say that fast 5 times. Shea Sugar Scrub. Shea Sugar Scrub.
Never mind.
Oh. Hopefully there's no water on it like before.
Give me a moment, give me a moment. Oh my goodness.
That's what that looks like. And the consistency of it. Do we see? It's not oily. And I like that. It is just wonderful. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't scratch at my skin. This is just, oh, I absolutely love it. I got my hands all tacky and doity. This is 18 ounces. And worth every single penny. I absolutely love the way this exfoliates my body. Wonderful. Aromatherapy for your shower, especially now that allergy season is upon us. We're sometimes having to deal with, do we turn on the heat? Do we turn on the AC? Especially here in Florida. Aromatherapy is great for me because I tend to get a little
congested and that just stocks me up.
I decided to give this item here a try. Focus camera and let me be great.
I will end you.
By Dr. TEALS. This is Aromatherapy Shower Mist Relaxing Eucalyptus Essential Oil. It says to mist it above the steam of the shower. Now what I like to do is, because this still doesn't smell that much of eucalyptus, I bump it up with as many drops as your heart is content to. Mind you, this is real essential oil, so it's going to trickle and mist down onto your shower floor, so be mindful of that. But I bump it up with real essential oil, put a few drops in there, shake it up, and oh, it is a beautiful spa experience.
You're welcome. You saw it here first.
Moving on to the face, I absolutely love. Isn't it cute? Can you stand it? This is a little facial fan. Absolutely fabulous. I got this at my local flea market at the Korean store. I want to go back for more because this makes great gifts. You can travel with this. Put it in your bag when you get a hot flash. Dry your serums. Fabulous. This is my third time purchasing this item, and this is Bliss Clear Genius. This used to be a high item. This used to be a hoity-toity high-end item. Now I see it at Target. I see it at Walmart. I know for sure they used to carry this at Sephora at one time. This is Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner Serum, and it has BHA, witch hazel, niacinamide, oh I said it right, zinc, and so on and so forth. I love the fact that it is travel friendly. It's 1.5 fluid ounce. It's a gel, and look, do you see the stopper top? Absolutely love that. Take a cotton pad, dab it, and swab it across your face. This is absolutely wonderful at kind of tightening up the skin. At least on me it does, and I have very crisco-y skin. It really does prep the skin for your makeup. Absolutely wonderful item. Like I said, I've purchased this like 3 times so far, and
I am really impressed with this little toner that good by Bliss. Bliss, I'm available.
I'm using a lot of the favorites here, or I've used a lot of the favorites just so you get an idea, a gauge as to what it looks like. Next is this lash primer by Vulgar Beauty. This is new to me. I've never really used this makeup brand before. I do know that it can be pricey. My girlfriend gifted it to me. And look at the packaging. Can you stand it? Look at that. That is so darn stinking cute. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, stunning, and it's very weighty, and it can stand on its own on the your vanity or wherever you set it.
Touch me.
The wand looks like that. I put it under another mascara, a colored mascara. I don't know if you can see. Oh my gosh, it just really got that mascara color popped on there. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Makes the lashes nice. It gripped the mascara nice and makes them nice and
luscious and full.
This is the Real Techniques number 418. I like the fact that they numbered it for reference, and it looks like that. This is a beautiful contouring brush. Do you see how it is? The shape of it, it's just very, it lends itself for contouring. It just fits in the groove nicely. It blends beautifully. It doesn't tug or scratch or prick at your skin. Then there's this beauty right here. Oh, I love her. This is a detailing powder brush. This is number 029. I don't know if you can see that there, but this brush is absolutely luxe and beautiful. It's soft. This next item I did not want to buy because it is expensive. And if I can find it for $5 and it gives me the same effect and its quality, you know I'm gonna do it. It's this one by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. I am in the medium. But and the packaging, the packaging.
Sucker for the packaging.
Looks like that. Now I take this brush, and what I do is I take it and I just place it in this area, which is perfect because I do need some, I'm a little verschwitzing. I told you I'm criscoing, and it just blurs. Oh, what do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Fabulous.
Miss Tilbury, I'm available.
Is this Color Pop blush, and this is from their Fashion District collection that came out. Looks like that. Love how it gives me a nice sun-kissed outdoorsy kind of look without looking overly orange. I didn't think this was gonna work for me, but it absolutely does. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I'm crisco-y. I don't like highlighting over my skin. I don't mind a little glow from within kind of look. However, if I'm gonna place highlighter, I like to place it strategically. Go on to Estee Lauder or Amazon, you're gonna see they changed the GELEE packaging. It is called Illuminating Powder Gelée. Like I said, the packaging has changed, but the formula has not, only the color name. But I've seen this one, so you can just look it up. Oh, can you stand it? Oh, she is beautiful. Let me show you, look at dang. Just a little bit goes a long way, and then the packaging is just beautiful. This is the old packaging. Like I said, they've changed it to a round one, which is just equally stunning. And do we see that glow right there? Oh, and then I pop just a little bit in the center of my eyelids. Love that. I've contoured with this LA Girl Velvet Bronzer contour stick. This is not bad. I've been testing it out on my Crisco skin. I sound like a broken record. However, this has been absolutely wonderful. I really like this, and I got this one. I got this one at CVS, I believe. This is in the color Suede. Looks like that. It blends easily. Oh, the finger cookie. And I still did it again.
Don't judge me.
Looks like that. Love it. Go get your shim. LA Girl. I'm available. I don't use a lot of e.l.f. products because they have been so hit or miss for me, but this particular balm has been all over TikToky. This is Tough Cookie, so you know I had to give that a try.
Because why? Because I'm cookie.
This smells so good. I'm gonna swatch it for you. It looks like that. And it is very creamy on the lips, and I like the feeling of that. Let me thin it out a little bit for you so you can appreciate the true color of that situation right there. A lippy favorite. You know I had to have a lippy favorite in here. Black Radiance. This is, okay, it's not named, but it has a number. It's 5026 or 5026, and it looks like that. Now, I ding. Less than $2. Yes, less than $2 is what I'm wearing. Creamy. I like that it has that slant to it because it makes it easy for application. Guys, this is creamy for $2. And I went over it with another Black Radiance product. This is SPF lip gloss, and this is the Sunset Rose, and it really does look like that. That is so pretty. I love that color combination. Dynamic Duo. I think I purchased this one at Target, and this one, I want to say I purchased it, I think, at Target as well for less than $2, and this was like less than $3, I want to say. Anyway, look it up. Absolutely wonderful.
Black Radiance. I'm available.
Do you have any favorites that I should try? Comment below and let me know. Am I missing anything? Am I missing anything? Okay, well that covers my favorite.
Now on to the ones that failed me miserably, just miserably.
I haven't used many things from this product line for a while because it just really has left me. My girlfriend gifted me this palette, and I appreciate that. Take a personal, girl. It wasn't you, it's the palette that failed me, not you. Anyhow, it's this CoverGirl True Naked Nudes. The color story on here is absolutely beautiful. It looks like that. If this is something that you love, this is just my opinion. I have certain expectations of it. You have different expectations. They're not that pigmented, and that's not a problem because you can build them up. The issue for me is that when it came time to blending, oh my gosh, they all muddled together, and I tried different combinations. What I wound up doing was using this Morphe stack and popping this eyeshadow right there in the middle just to see if I could save the eyeshadow look, because I had tried it several times and my eyelids were starting to get a little raw. Oh, almost dropped it, oh my lord.
Calm down, girl.
This other brush by Real Techniques, which I brought at the same time that I brought her, is the 027. Beautiful brush, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, beautiful brush. This is 027. This is very prickly on my skin. I've washed it. I've tried to condition it a little bit the best way that I know as a pro makeup artist. I don't know if I got a dud it hurts and it just pinches, it pokes at my skin, it itches my skin, it irritates my skin. So it's like, no.
Fail me back.
This is number 220 Tied Up by Milani. Don't come for me, don't come for me. I know that these are popular, however, I don't like the consistency of this. Is like, no, very greasy. It's a lip balm consistency, and at first I thought I would like it because it's absolutely beautiful. It swatches beautifully. It reminds me a lot of the Yves Saint Laurent lippies that had that same kind of consistency that just spread everywhere. And I was like, for the amount of money that I spent on those lippies, I said no. And that's what this reminds me of. No, it's just, it's not the look, mommy. It just looks like you got hot chocolate around the lips.
Bye.
And that is it, my darlings. Stay tuned because I'm coming with more videos on lifestyle, cooking, thrifting.
Oh my, you won't want to miss it.
If you like this video and you found some value in it, I would love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. As I mentioned before, which ones are your favorites? I really want to know. Do you have any special recommendations? Comment below and let me know. What type of videos would you like to see on this lifestyle channel? Share the video why, because sharing is caring, and subscribe.
Post a notification bell, you know, the ding dong bell, and select all so you don't miss any of my videos.
And as I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like it right now, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna do it for you. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. Y'all come back now, you hear? Every single time. Now vroom vroom, what? Bah. This is such a pretty color. Look what I just did. You see? She's still usable in purties. Oh man, look at that. Never fails. At least it was less than $2. I can go and get more. Yeah, that's what it is. I'll get it right. This is not a sponsored video. These are all my opinion. Tag me on Instagram. I can do that with Cookie. Nope, wrong again. Love that. It can stand on its own. I think it can. Never mind.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.